How to set up custom ringtone for iPhone when battery is fully charged. In this video, we're going to be talking about adding a custom notification for yourself when your iPhone is fully charged. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your shortcuts section. And once you're in your shortcuts, you're going to go over to automations and you're going to click on the plus icon to create a new personal automation. So we're going to click on that. And now once you've done this, scroll down to where it says charged. Okay, so I'm going to go over to battery level and I'm going to take it to full. So when it's equal 100%, we're going to click on next. And now you're going to click on add action or either play music. So you can have it play any type of music that you have. So let's say to choose music, you can go ahead and choose which song you want it to add or ask each time, etc. Or to make your whole thing even better, go to add notification. Okay, we're going to search up notification over here. We're going to click on notification, and once we've done that, simply go ahead to show notification. Let's say hello world, click on next, and here we are. So now every time your battery reaches 100%, it will notify you with a custom alert that you've set it up for yourself. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.